Welcome back to iSelf Academy YouTube channel. In our first video on our financial model series 1.0, we will start working with SUMIFS function. When I talk about SUMIFS, whenever I have a data set which is beyond one criteria to be answered here, I'll be using SUMIFS functionality. Again, in a SUMIFS function, you can add as many as 127 conditions here, and let me show you how I'm going to use that. In a data set, I'm going to build everything from scratch, so probably my data set will go in a multitude or multiple videos for the SUMIFS to achieve it. So the first logic is I'm preparing a data set so that I can get the data set work perfectly for us. So I'm going to create a drop down menu for the representative and the items here. Again, if I want to do that, this is not a Google Sheet. So if you're using a Google Sheet, probably this will automatically become unique. As we are in Excel, so we need to work on it. So I see that option a little better in Google Sheet than in Excel. But again, Excel does something which is phenomenally great than what a Google Sheet cannot do. So we cannot compare both these dimensions with one another, but I'm planning to add them all in this list. So my answer has to come in my L column, and I'm going to keep the drop down for the rep and item in here. So I'm going to just select this topic, and I want to keep this as dynamic data set here. So I'm going to just say equals unique function. Then I choose the data set and then close the bracket, give an enter. That's going to give you the list here, and then the same logic is going to be used again here for the item list here. And if you want to put them in a sorted method, you can do that. Just add a sort in front of it. So that's going to automatically sort the data alphabetically, and then I can add a sort method, and that's going to give you the data set automatically in the dimension here. So now I'm ready to play around with my list, and now I'm going to create these two dimensions in a drop down list here. Probably if you want to know more about the drop down list, I have a shorts video recently I've added called data validation. You can do that. I'm going to create a data validation list here. I'm going to come down here and then say list, and then the source of data set, I will choose the rep first. Okay, the same way I'm going to add alt DL, list of data set. The source of data is going to come into play in this list. So now I can choose any person and then any data set that I want here. So my data set dimension is ready. Now I can use SUMIFS functionality to do my work better. See you in the next video how we can use SUMIFS to get the desired results. And if the desired result is not really working for you, then I'm going to use the next logic of our financial modeling series 1.2 called if error, how we can do it. Because Alex might not have sold all the products here. So if he doesn't sold the other product, and if I'm accidentally choosing the item here, then how do I say that this is a wrong selection? Let's see how to do that. Catch you up in the next video. Thank you.